Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of MongoDB. So today we are going to learn about the sort function with the help of the find one in the MongoDB shell. So those who haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and hit like to the video and comment on that. Okay, so let's get started how we are going to sort this one. So I'm going to write this one post petty. So this is the post 2 3 4. By default it is ascending order. Okay, so we can sort it by ascending order, descending order with the help of the sort function. So I'm going to add this one petty with the title. So I am going to write this with the title 1. So you can see that it is sort. You can see that post 4 we have, and then post 3, then post 2. This is the order that we have sort, and if we put -1, then it sort with whatever we have the data with this one. Okay, so you can see that what the data we have, exactly whatever we have pasted over here, like post 2, post 3 and post 4, post 2, post 3, post 4, right? So this is how it is sorted. So -1 and basically it's 1, that will help to determine whether we have to sort with the ascending order and the descending order, right? So this is how we can sort the collections or the tables of the MongoDB shell easily. So any query, any issue in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.